It is Cinco de Mayo, and so I thought we would dive into a Santana CD today. This is Santana's greatest hits, and I'm sure you are well aware that Carlos Santana is Mexican-American, so I thought it was fitting to dive into this today. This is the greatest hits from 1974. This album would have been released on CD much later than that, but this is a digital representation of the greatest hits that was released in 1974. There's the disc there. Can't see that very well, but it does have the tracks listed on it, much like right here. I think if you are at all familiar with Santana, you would know this band's songs Black Magic Woman and Oye Como Va. He's such a great guitar player that, Santana has had such a long career because of being able to cross over generations. This is pretty basic here. It's just blank in here. So there's not much to this one. It is the 70s. So this would have been originally designed to be on a vinyl record. But that is this CD for you today. I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you in the next dive.